Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to blur background in Adobe Lightroom. Blurring the background in Adobe Lightroom can make your subject stand out and give your photos a professional look. First of all, launch open Lightroom application on your device and make sure that you are logged in. From the main home page, go ahead and select one of your images, or you can also select one of the templates from the community page, and after choosing a photo you want to edit on the screen, go ahead and tap on the presets option at the bottom of the screen. First of all, make sure that you have the premium subscription for Adobe Lightroom, and once you do, inside premium you will see the adaptive blur background option. Tap on that. If you don't have upgraded to the premium, you will need to do so. Simply tap on upgrade to premium, and once you are a premium subscriber, you will be able to blur the background on your photo by tapping on adaptive blur background option. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.